Joining us now is Notre Dame senior and standout softball student athlete, Alexis Holloway. Alexis, welcome to the fight.
Hi, thank you so much. It's great to be here.
Yeah, so coming out of high school, you were the top-ranked pitcher in the country and named the 2017 Gatorade Indiana Softball Player of the Year. How did you decide to come to Notre Dame?
Well, quite honestly, it's always been my dream school. I've been coming to softball camps here since I've been 8 years old, and it's just somewhere that I've always dreamed of being. My dad grew up a huge Notre Dame fan, didn't come to school here, but I've just always dreamed of being here, and I thank every day that I get to spend here.
Mhm. In your freshman season at Notre Dame, you threw the 44th no-hitter in Fighting Irish program history. What do you remember about that game, and how did it feel to be entering into the ND Athletics history books?
Yeah, it's crazy to even think about. I do remember that I didn't know I was throwing a no hitter until the last inning or two, and I was just a freshman, so I was just trying to go out there and do my best and get put my team in a position to win. And so yeah, I didn't even know it was happening, but looking back on it now, it's definitely going to be a memory that I have for a long time. To be next to some women that have been life changing to this program.
Mhm. Alexis, we had your coach, Gianna Gumpf, on earlier in the show. What's her leadership meant to you and your development as a player?
Coach is truly one of the best people that one of the best persons I've ever met in my life. She has truly changed me and cares about not only me but every single girl that goes through her program as more than just a player. She shapes us into capable young women who will go into the workforce and whatever we choose to do and truly make a difference because she develops a full person, and I can't thank her enough for that.
Mhm. And let's talk a moment about your sister, Anna, the number 32 player and one of the top shortstops in the country and now a member of Notre Dame's 15th ranked recruiting class. Are you excited for her to be following in your footsteps? And were you at all surprised by her decision to attend ND?
I'm super excited that she's going to be here next year. I couldn't be prouder of her, and I am super glad that she's choosing to follow my footsteps while also paving her own way. And yeah, I'm super excited that she chose to come here because I think this is truly the best place that somebody could choose to go with both the education and the athletic experience. So I'm super proud of her, and I am looking forward to welcoming her to the team next year.
Mhm. Alexis, what are you looking forward to in this upcoming softball season?
Honestly, just getting back on the field with my teammates. We got cut short, obviously, last year due to COVID, just like all the other spring sports did. And it's been a long haul since then. It's going to be about 11 months since we've played a real softball game against somebody that's not our own teammates. So I think we're all just really looking forward to being back together on the field, enjoying the sport that we love, and just getting ready to compete.
Well, Alexis, good luck in the upcoming season, and thank you so much for joining us today on The Fight. Now
Thank you
let's
so much
throw,
for
oh,
having me.
now let's
Sorry.